We're gonna be messing with that dog. Dude, that dog look tough. No, wait, I don't know if it's tough.
Yeah, you do.
It look tough, but we about to go see. We about to climb this ladder. I'm gonna put in the title. Tough dog. See if it's all tough. You getting it?
Oh.
Don't do it yet. Wait till. Here, get the camera and show them the dog. That's the dog.
A bone.
Okay.
That's the dog. That's the dog over here.
I broke my Wait, let me do it. I'm gonna go to her silhouette and try to run away. See, it's running. I keep following. Feel like I broke an ankle, y'all. Feel on this ankle. Look at my cousin G. It makes noise. Hey, hey.
The door's open. What's more music?
Jam it. Oh yeah, they're lifting. Look at this bush. Yeah, I suck. Okay, I'm getting out too. So, this was a short vlog, but thank you for watching. Hope you see my next video. Just with me, probably with my sister, but I don't know. Oh my God, my phone. Okay, bye.